We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Kind of makes sense. Oh, I can whip up some pancakes too.
Tommy Parkey coffee. Tommy Parkey, Tommy Parkey, Tommy Parkey, coffee,
No Coke,
Coffee.
Pepsi.
Okay, Pepsi and French fries.
No fries, cheap.
Okay, cheap.
One cheeseburger, one Pepsi, one cheap.
Cheeseburger.
Pepsi,
More
cheap.
beans. No, I think that is rabbit.
That long?
Yeah. Big.
There's an Ariel Princess video over there.
Yeah,
Disney
there is.
Ariel Princess.
There was something else in that.
Whoa!
Aww.
We got a woman down. A woman down.
Is that a chess piece?
No, it was. Oh yeah.
Yeah, a little plastic one. It's melted. I think this was used by migrant workers.
I agree.
I think they did it because if you look in there, it looks like they had about a bunch of different families. There's like 8 bedrooms in this house.
Well, I think this is the boss's house.
Yeah.
This is really got a cool floor plan.
Yeah, it looks like it is.
And
It's burnt.
yeah, looks like the ceiling burnt. So I think Doug has hit on it right. This house over here that we were just in is the main house, and that's a bathroom.
You're naked. Naked.
Here, this was for migrant workers. So they had a common room here. Wow.
Was using, they had a stove in there. Watch your feet, honey. Watch for needles.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I just checking the back. It's got a view.
Stage 5. Evacuation beginning. Evacuation complete. Evacuation complete. Complete. Evacuation complete.
So this is the back area to the old, what we've determined to be a part of a dairy farm that was once out here. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but there's all kinds of gunfire in the land that doesn't allow guns, California. Now, come on, Doug. This is, again, a fixer-upper. I could live here. This is my modern kitchen. It's at an angle, which is kind of cool.
couple of angles in this one. I've noticed it's got a nice split going right down the middle.
Well, that's ventilation.
Spacious
When you try
attic.
Yeah, there's the
Skylight.
ventilation. Here's my fireplace. It's electric. I think, yeah. Oh, this is where the entertainment center went, right there. Very good.
Chew bone.
Well, every one of our trailers comes with a bone, okay? So if you're interested in purchasing this, we can actually throw in some bones. If that's...
There's some over there. It's still got some meat on it.
We have DNA material.
It kind of looks like the main girders are bending.
Come on, Doug, you're spoiling my fun.
Nah, you can have tons of fun. Pull that girder up and hammer it back into place.
There you go. If I had a hammer.
I'd hammer in the morning.
There we go.
You call it Mary?
Yeah, there you go.
Like we did that.
Yep. Yeah. You know what? I think we ought to go check out that building up there. That's a big old truck.